In this video, I am going to solve the maths from assignment 8.3. But before that, you have to watch the previous video, in which video I have discussed about the operation of decimal, that is how can you do the addition and subtraction of decimal, and how can you solve the word problems of decimal, and how can you convert the unit from meter to kilometer, centimeter to meter, and milliliter to liter. You have learnt everything. How can you convert the unit of capacity, unit of weights, and unit of length. So before watching this video, you have to watch that video, and then if you will understand the previous topic, then you will complete this assignment after watching this video. Okay, first questions are MCQ question. The value of 15.2 plus 3.09 is equal to. You have to add this value. So in your previous class, you have learned that for doing the addition of decimal, you have to arrange the numbers in column in such a way that the decimal point will be in a same vertical line, and all the digits of that numbers will be, all the digits in same place value will be in same vertical line. 15.2, 3.09, so point will be in a same vertical line. 3 ones, 3.0 9, and all the vacant places should be filled in with 0. 9 plus 0, 9, 2, 8, 1. 1829, this will be the answer. 18.29. This will be the answer. Next, the value of this, you have to subtract this from this. So just like the addition, you have to, first of all, you have to arrange this in column. 15.2, 7.71 4 tenths 9 hundredths. So the vacant place will be replaced by 0. You have to subtract this. 0 minus 9, 0 is less than, so 0 will borrow 0, become 10, this become 1, 10 minus 9, 1 become borrow 1 from 5, 1 become 11, 5 become 4, 11 minus 4, 7, 4 minus and 4 become, borrow 1, 4 become 14, minus 7, 7.71, 7.71. Next. Question number 3. A 8 meter 57 centimeter pole was put in a pond to measure its depth. If 4 meter 66 centimeter of pole remain outside the water, the depth of the pond. So for measuring a depth of a pond, a pole was put in a pond. The total length of pole is this much, 8 meter 57 centimeter. But it is noticed that 4 meter 66 centimeter of pole remained outside the water. একটা পন্ডের ডেপথ মেজার করার জন্য সেই পন্ডের মধ্যে একটা পোল রাখা হয়েছে, সেই পোলের টোটাল লেন্থটা বলা আছে। এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে যে কিছুটা পোল ওয়াটারের বাইরে আছে, আউটসাইড দ্য ওয়াটার, ওয়াটারের বাইরে আছে। নাও ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড দ্য ডেপথ অফ দ্য পন্ড। দ্যাট মিনস which length of the pole will be inside the water, that will be the actual depth of the pond. মানে জলের ভিতরে, ওয়াটারের মধ্যে যতটা পোল থাকবে সেটাই হবে পন্ডের ডেপথ। So total length of the pole 8 meter 57 centimeter. Pole remained outside water, 8 meter 57 centimeter. Pole remained outside water, 4 meter 66 centimeter. The depth of the pond equal to pole remained inside the water. So you have to remove this from this. That means you have to subtract this from this. But you know that when we need to do the subtraction or addition, we need to convert each quantity in same unit. So 8 meter 57 centimeter, we will convert this in meter. 8 meter This is already in meter, so you have to convert this in meter. 50 centimeter থেকে meter, so meter, decimeter, centimeter. So you have to go to the upper side, so that means you have to do division. Okay, by how much? 1 step, 2 step. That means you have to divide by, for each step you have to, for each step for going upward you have to divide by 10. So there is so 10 into 10, that is 2 number of zeros. So 5 by 100, this much meter. Sorry, 57 by 100, this much meter. So 8 plus 0.57, so this will be 8.57 meter. Next, pole remain outside water. 4 plus 66 by 100, this much meter. So 4 plus 0.66 meter, this will be 4.66 meter. Now you have to find the depth of the pond. Pole remained inside the water. 8.57 minus 4.66 meter. So you have to arrange this in column. 8.57, 4.66, 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 6, 5 become 15, 9, 3. 3.91 meter. 3.91 meter, this will be the answer. Okay, next in question number 2 you have to do addition. In question number 2 you have to add this value. First of all we will arrange this in column 1. Next, there is no decimal part, so in decimal part we can place some 0. 1.00. Next 1.01, 1.1, 0.011, then 0.01. So all the vacant place will be filled in with 0. 1 plus 1 plus 3, 1, 3. So 3.131, this will be the answer. Okay, next question number 3. Subtract this from this. From this value you have to subtract this value. So first of all we need to write this. 283.222. So 1 will borrow 1 from this one, so 1 become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 1 becomes 0. 0 will borrow 1 from 3, so 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. This 4 will borrow 1 from 6. 14 minus 8, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. So 361.089. 361.089. This will be the answer. Next, question number 5. Question number 4, you have to solve this by yourself. Question number 5, add the following quantities and express in decimals. You have to add this to quantity. 4 kilometer 231 meter and 1 kilometer 58 meter. First of all you have to, for doing the addition you have to convert each of the quantities in same unit. So both of these value we will convert in kilometer. 4 kilometer, this is already in kilometer, you have to convert this in kilometer. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. So for converting meter into kilometer, that means you have to go to the upper side. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. So that means you have to divide by 1000. For 1 step you have to divide by 10. For 1 step to the upward side you have to divide by 100. For 3 steps in the upper side you have to divide by 1000. This much kilometer. Okay, this much kilometer. So this will be 4 plus 0.231. There is 3 number of zeros in the denominator, so you have to place decimal point before 3 digit. So this will be 4.231 kilometer. 1 kilometer 58 meters. So this 1 plus 58 meter. So you have to divide this by 1000. 1 plus 58 by 1000 kilometer. So there is 3 number of 0. So you have to place decimal point before 3 digit. 1 2 digit 0 0.058. So this will be 1.058 kilometer. Okay, now you have to add this to quantity. 4.231 plus 1.058, this much kilometer. 4.231 1.058 825 5.289 kilometer. This will be the answer. Next, question number 4. You have to add this two value, 86 liter 2 ml. First of all, we will convert this into liter. So liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. So to convert milliliter into liter, that means you have to go to the upper side. That is, you have to divide by 1000 because there are 3 steps. 86 plus 2 by 1000 liter. So this will be 86 plus 0.002. This much liter. So this will be 86.002 liter. 2 liter 52 plus 56 by 1000 liter. So this will be 2 plus 0.056 liter. So 2.056 liter. Now you have to add this 86 liter 2 ml plus 2 liter 56 ml equal to 86.002 plus 2.056 liter. 5 plus 6 8 5 0 8 8 88.058 88.058 liter. I hope all of you can understand this. Next, question number 6. By how much is 4 meter greater than this? You have to compare these two quantity, 4 meter and 298 centimeter. You know that when you will compare two quantities, you have to subtract for knowing which is greater and which is one is greater than how much. দুটো নাম্বারকে কম্পেয়ার করতে গেলে বা একটা নাম্বার অন্য একটা নাম্বার থেকে কতটা বড় জানতে গেলে আমাদেরকে সাবট্রাক্ট করতে হয়। বাট ফর ডুইং দ্য সাবট্রাকশন ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ হ্যাভ টু কনভার্ট দিস ইনটু meter. 298 centimeter equal to centimeter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. So centimeter to meter you have to divide by 2 step 1 2, that is 100. 298 by 100 meter. This will be 2.98 meter. Now you have to by how much 4 meter is greater than 4 minus 2.98, this much meter equal to 4.00 2.98 201 1.02 meter. So 4 is greater than 298 semi by 1.02 meter. Okay. Next, question number 7. Mr. Sharma spent this much on whitewashing, this much on traveling, and this much for hotel accommodation. If he has this much rupees left with him, how much money did he have in the beginning? First of all, you have to find out his total expenditure, মানে total খরচ কত করছে. Spend on whitewashing this much, spent on traveling this much, spent for hotel accommodation this much, left money. These are the word problem. First of all, you have to write which information is given in the question. Okay, in the beginning he had, so left money this much, So totally he have this much money, totally this much money. You have to put together this much money. This much money he had in the beginning. So you have to add this number. 59,287.90. 28,389.96. 15,280.71. 65800.00. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 7, 25. 2 carry. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 2, 18. 18, 1 carry. After 8, 8, 16, 8, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2 carry. 2 plus 3, 5, 2, 7, 7, 8, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 1 carry. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 5. 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 8, 27 plus 1, 28, 2 carry. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 6, 14. Plus 2, 16. So 1,68,758.57 rupees. 1,68,758 rupees 57 paise. So in the beginning he has this much rupees. Okay, next question number 9. At the beginning of the summer, you have to solve this word problem, question number 8 by yourself. Okay, question number 9. At the beginning of the summer, Raj was this meter tall. He grew 5 centimeter during summer. What was Raju's final height at the end of summer? He grew this much. So that means you have to add this much with this much. Then you can find his final height. So first of all, you have to convert this in semi-unit. The height of Raj was 1.63 meter. He grew during summer 5 centimeters. So first of all, you have to convert this into meter. How can you convert this into meter? 5 centimeter. So meter, decimeter, centimeter. So centimeter to meter you have to divide. This is 1 to 2 steps. So that is you have to divide by 100. So 0.05 meter. His final height at the end of summer will be 1.63 plus 0.05 meter. This will be 1.68 meter. Okay, clear? Next question. Rakesh purchased a box of 20 kg of apples. If 1 kg 879 gram of apples were found spoiled and 10 kg 76 gram were consumed, how much apples were left? So Rakesh purchased a box of 20 kg. It's a total quantity of apple 20 kg. This much apple were found spoiled. 1 kg 879 gram. 10 kg 76 gram were consumed. So this much quantity of apples were consumed. How much apples were left? Total quantity of apple this much. Spoiled apple 1 kg 879 grams. So first of all we will convert this into kg. 1 plus, first of all you have to convert this into kg. 879 by 1000. You know that kg, hectogram, decagram, gram. So gram to kg, there are 3 steps. So you have to take the 1000, but you have to go to the upwards. That is, you have to divide by 1000. This much kg. So this will be 1 plus 0.879 kg. So this will be 1.879 kg. Okay. Next, consumed apple 10 kg 76 gram. 10 kg 76 gram. 76 gram. So you have to divide by 1000 this much kg. So this will be 10 plus 0.076. 10.076 this much kg. Total quantity of spoiled apple and consumed apple 1.879 plus 10.076 this much kg. So you have to add this 1.879 10.076 9 plus 6, 15, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 8 plus 1, 9, 1, 1, 11.955, 11.955 kg. Left apple, that means you have to remove this much apple from 20 kg apple. So 20 minus 11.955. This much kg. Now you have to subtract 20.000 11.955 5 3. Okay. Next. So first of all, this 0 will borrow 1 from 2. So this 0 become 10. This 2 become 1. 10 become 9. This 0 become 10. 9, 9. Now this 0 become 10. This become 9 and this become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. This become 8.035. 8.035 this much kg. Here is a mistake, silly mistake, that is 9 minus 5 is 4. So this will be 8.045 kg. Okay, so this much apples were left. 8.045 kg apples were left. Okay, so from this assignment I have solved some question, but I have left a few question for you by solving yourself. Okay, so you will try to solve that question by yourself, but you have to solve all the questions. And if you have any doubts to understand any question, and if you cannot do any questions, you will inform me.